Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV and it's giving you a 10 blink error. It's just blinking 10 times and you're wondering what's going on and what you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, what is this 10 blink error on the Panasonic? This 10 blink error generally indicates a voltage error. It's not getting, basically, it's sensing that it's not getting the right electricity that it needs. And the issue that you have here is you're going to have to figure out where that's coming from. And it might be from one of the different circuit boards within the television. But the first thing you want to do before you try to get into all that stuff is you got to restart, you do a total reset on the television. So you want to turn it off and unplug it from the wall, and then you want to press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. And once you do that, just leave the television off for a solid 30 minutes and then turn it back on and see if that doesn't clear out the error. And if that doesn't clear out the error, it's probably going to need to be repaired, and frankly, if it's not that expensive of a television, you're better off at that point replacing it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.